I was gonna wait till I got home to record, but I'm in the office today. I usually work from home. I'm 2 hours from home, so I know when I get home, I'm not gonna feel like recording. So today, I'm gonna go ahead and knock it out. So like I said, we're gonna talk about money, but first I want you guys to understand how the economy works, because to understand money, you have to understand the economy. So what is the economy? The economy is made up of transactions. What are transactions? Transactions are any time you buy something. In any transaction, there's going to be a buyer and there's a seller, and there's an exchange of money, goods, services, credit, what have you. That is a transaction. The economy is driven by three main forces. Those forces include productivity growth. That's the graph for that. Short-term debt cycle, boom, and the long-term debt cycle, boom. Transactions drive the economy, right? So the economy consists of different markets. So markets consist of all buyers and sellers. For example, the food market, the car market, the real estate market, hair care, beauty, etc. There's a market for everything that you can consume or buy. Banks, government, people, and businesses are all consumers, and they all make transactions. The biggest buyer is the government. So hence as to why they're always like, we are in $4 trillion in debt. Now y'all are in $4 trillion in debt. I didn't agree to any of those transactions you made, so I don't know why we're held responsible for it. The government borrows directly from who? The central bank. The government borrows directly from the central bank. So the government doesn't have any money. The central bank controls interest rates and prints money, keyword, whenever they want. Also in control of the flow of credit. Credit is the most important part of the economy and the most understood part of the economy. But don't worry, that's why I'm here to help you guys understand money and the economy. Borrowers commit to paying back the amount they borrowed, called principal, and additional amount is called interest. So the interest is how the bank makes their money. You're paying back the principal, that's the initial loan, but you're also paying interest so that the bank gets money for the money that they loaned you out. When interest rates are high, there's less borrowing. For example, the real estate market right now, interest rates are stupid. So that's why a lot of people are pumping the brakes on buying a house. But when interest rates are low, there's more borrowing. So when rates go down, borrowing goes up. When interest rates are up, borrowing goes down. And that concludes the information about money on today's video. I want to make all my videos for my money series 5 minutes or less. I need y'all to hold me to that, okay?